What happened, Sammy? It looks like there was a hurricane.
I've made a card for you.
Wow, that's so sweet. Thank you very much. Do you know what will make me even happier? If you clean all this up.
Sorry, Sue, but no can do. The thing is, I've unboxed new packs of pencils and markers, and I've no place to put them. I suggest leaving it all on the table.
No, that's not good. Everything should be in order.
But Sue...
Fine, since you're in a crafting mood, let's get wants and needs met. Hi guys! Today we're gonna teach you how to organize things and make
a big cool organizer that can fit everything, even my new stationery.
Yes, that's right, Sammy. We already glued some colorful paper onto all of our cardboard parts. You'll need to do the same. This is the base for our organizer. We'll glue all the sections onto it. We need a glue gun for that. Guys, don't forget about safety when working with the glue gun. You can easily get burned. Watch your hands.
Sue, I thought the whole base would be blue.
Oh, Sammy. I decided to make this part orange because it won't be seen behind the sections anyway. Plus, it looks fun.
Now I see and I approve.
The second part is double-sided too. We'll carefully apply some glue here. And then attach it very carefully to its place.
Sue, I found these pieces, but they're just like the previous ones. I guess you've mistakenly made some extra parts.
No, Sammy, that was intentional. They're a little bit longer in order to fit the height, see? There we go. Great. And, oh, it looks like a staircase.
To heaven, I suppose. It's so high.
Yes, my little friend. Guys, can you guess the next color? Ta-da! Yellow! Pay attention to the beveled edge. I thought it would add something extra to the whole look. You go here. A little trick won't do any harm. Perfect! Now we need to glue one piece like this. Don't forget to step away from the bottom, guys. Then goes the second one.
I think I know what it is. These are shelves. I'm gonna keep my magazines here.
Nice guess, Sammy, but no. Have you forgotten we're making a desktop organizer?
Oh, I see. Frankly, I wouldn't say no to a book stand like this. I like its color combination.
Could you pass me those pieces then?
Sure thing.
Huh? Thanks, Sammy. You're a great helper. And I promise I'll think about your suggestion. Guys, give a thumbs up if you want us to make something useful for books.
Shiver me cheddars, weird binoculars. I don't know anybody with 3 eyes. Only Peter the spider, but he has 4 pairs.
Here they are. I've been looking all over for them. Sammy has such a wild imagination.
That's why we are best friends. I generate ideas and you help me implement them.
That's true, Sammy. Now we'll take a piece that's a bit higher than our cylinders, or weird binoculars as Sammy called them, and put it in the middle of the remaining area like this. We've made a wall, and now it's time to make a ceiling. Voila! We're on to an important task. Let's find the middle. All right, 9.5 centimeters. Now we need to divide the whole section in half using this part. Done.
I know, this should be on top. Can I?
Sure, just do not get the sides confused. Blue should face forward.
No need to remind, I know what I'm doing. Well, what did I tell ya?
Great job, Sammy. Now let's move to the most tricky part.
I'll leave it to you, but I'll be there if needed.
Got it, Sammy. We'll take this long pink piece and draw a line marking the height. There. Now let's glue this shelf nice and tight. You can use this pink piece for support until the glue dries.
Such tedious work. We're really lucky you have a firm hand.
Oh, Sammy, wait for it. We still need to glue another shelf on top of this one. Carefully. There we go.
Sue, I think we should secure them somehow. It doesn't look very steady.
You're right, Sammy. That's why we need this piece. Remember it? We'll put it here. And here comes the ruler. They'll prop the shelf up until the glue dries.
Step aside, I'm coming to close the section. Yay, done!
Let's give our shelves some time to set and get to the unusual part. Now we'll make a movable part that can be opened and closed, like a little stash.
I like stashes. I can hide my sweets there.
Sammy, sweets should not be stored in a desktop organizer.
You're right. This work just makes me hungry, you know.
I understand, but we'll see the result very soon, so be patient. We need to draw a line using the blunt edge of the cutter. Guys, be very careful working with sharp objects. See? This will provide mobility for the whole piece. It's time to put it… Sammy, what are you doing there?
I was just checking if the shelves are tight. I can assure you they sit perfectly.
Thank you, Sammy. You're a real cardboard master. Guys, check out this piece. Cool, it works.
So, how did you know I was gonna learn tap dance? Thanks for the exercise platform.
I was distracted for a second and you've already invented a use for the last wall of the section?
Oopsie, you saw nothing.
I've already added some sticky tape on the fold in order to prevent the paper from being torn. You go here. Perfect.
So look, it's like I'm in a carriage but without horses.
I like your imagination, but we need this for the craft. As you see, guys, it's really easy to make a shelf like this. Take 4 details, glue them together, and you'll get an adorable pink drawer before you know it. Do you like this color, guys? Give it thumbs up. I can't wait to fill it with stationery. A pinch of magic. Yay, it worked. Now we need to close the back unless you want all the pencils to fall out.
No, we can't let that happen. I can't spend the rest of my life cleaning.
Wow, check this out, guys. It's so beautiful and very useful. I really love it.
Huh. So are we gonna leave these drawers empty?
Oh, right. It's good of you to point that out. Blue goes to blue. Whoosh. And here comes the second one. Great.
I know. Yellow goes to yellow.
It's not that simple, Sammy. Watch this. Cool. Okay, guys, our organizer is assembled, but there's just a bit left to do.
So, I really need a corkboard for notes. I should forget nothing.
Anything to make you smile, Sammy. There you go. We can pin the most important notes. And lovely pictures on it. Let's decorate all the sides of our organizer. Sammy, bring me the colored paper, please.
There you are, Sue. I'm a master of decoration, so I chose the pink color. It will perfectly match the blue one.
Thank you, Sammy. I trust your choice. Let's also add the second layer with a cool pattern on top like this.
What are these for, Sue? I don't get it.
This, Sammy, will be our creative corner. I already have an idea. Here's the wonderful card you made for me.
Cool. Can we put the scheme of our next craft too?
Great idea, Sammy. Let's put it right here.
Check out what I also found.
Wow, thank you. I know where we can attach these. Right on our drawers. There we go.
Sue, do you mind if I show you a magic trick too?
Oh, no, not at all.
Bibbidi bobbidi subscribity! Can you see the difference?
Awesome, Sammy. But is that all?
Did you check all the sides?
Oh, right. Wow, now you're talking.
Well, I'm a recognized master of decoration after all.
We're gonna need some knobs. It will be more comfortable to open our drawers. Let's use craft magic. Wow, cool, right?
We need to find a place for these cuties!
Shall we put those sticky notes here? How's that?
Yes, perfect. Let's finally fill our cool organizer.
Yes, it's high time. Awesome! There you go. And the paper clips go here.
While the big clips go here.
Let's put the push pins here. Great, everything's at hand and they won't get mixed up.
Do we have any space for brushes?
Of course, Sammy, they go in this drawer. Voila. And this one's for the pencils. What can we put in here? All right, scissors. Perfect.
And what about my tape collection?
I think this is just the place.
Oh, thanks, cool.
I'll put my notebooks for sketches and designs and colored paper right here. Wonderful! This is for our new craft ideas. And a finishing touch. Let's leave a secret message for Sam. Let's go sweet and simple. I bet he'll find it soon.
Whoa, let's take a closer look at this organized beauty.
Do you want to make an organizer like this? Then go ahead and give it a try. Use your favorite colors.
If you like it as much as I do, give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!
See